Waking up with a stiff neck is an all too familiar experience for many. Neck pain after sleep is surprisingly common. It can range from a mild annoyance to a debilitating pain that disrupts your day. Millions of people experience this discomfort, often searching for relief and answers. This type of pain can have a significant impact on our daily lives. Simple tasks like turning your head or looking up can become difficult. Work, hobbies, and even sleep itself can be affected by this nagging pain. The good news is that understanding the causes and adopting preventive measures can make a world of difference. There are also effective treatments available to alleviate pain and restore mobility. This guide will delve into the common causes of neck pain after sleep, explore preventive measures, and discuss various treatment options. We aim to empower you with the knowledge to achieve a pain-free morning and a healthier neck. Neck pain after sleep can stem from various factors, often interlinked. One of the most common culprits is poor sleeping posture. Sleeping in awkward positions for prolonged periods can strain neck muscles and ligaments, leading to pain and stiffness upon waking. Another frequent offender is an inappropriate pillow. A pillow that's too high or too low for your sleeping position can force your neck into an unnatural angle, causing discomfort. Similarly, old or unsupportive pillows can lose their shape, failing to provide adequate support to your neck. Stress also plays a significant role in neck pain. When we're stressed, our muscles tend to tense up, including those in the neck and shoulders. This tension can build up overnight, leading to a stiff and painful neck in the morning. Understanding the underlying cause of your neck pain is crucial for effective treatment. By identifying the contributing factors, you can take steps to address them and prevent future discomfort. Neck pain after sleep often manifests as stiffness, which can make it challenging to start your day on the right foot. This stiffness is usually accompanied by a limited range of motion, making simple tasks feel like monumental efforts. You may find it difficult to turn your head from side to side or look up and down without experiencing pain. This can make everyday activities, such as driving or even just looking at your phone, quite uncomfortable. The pain may be localized to a specific point in the neck or radiate to the shoulders and upper back. This can sometimes make it hard to pinpoint the exact source of the discomfort. The intensity of the pain can vary widely. For some, it might be a mild annoyance, while for others, it can be debilitating. Some people experience a dull, achy sensation that lingers throughout the day, while others describe it as sharp shooting pain that can take your breath away. The pain may be worse in the morning and gradually improve throughout the day as you move around. This is because movement helps to increase blood flow and reduce stiffness. In some cases, neck pain may be accompanied by headaches, particularly at the base of the skull. These headaches can add another layer of discomfort and make it even harder to focus on daily tasks. You may also experience numbness or tingling in your arms or hands if the pain is related to nerve compression. This can be particularly concerning as it may indicate a more serious underlying issue. It's important to pay attention to your body and recognize the signs of sleep-related neck pain. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to more severe problems down the line. Early detection and intervention can help prevent the pain from worsening and becoming a chronic issue. Simple changes, such as using a neck support pillow or seeking professional massage therapy, can make a significant difference. Adjusting your sleeping position and ensuring that your pillow provides adequate support can also help alleviate symptoms. It's crucial to find a sleeping arrangement that keeps your neck in a neutral position. Incorporating neck stretches and using a heating pad can also provide relief. These methods help to relax the muscles and improve blood circulation, which can reduce pain and stiffness. If your symptoms persist, it may be wise to consult with a healthcare professional. They can offer more targeted treatments such as physical therapy or medication to help manage your pain. With the right approach, you can find relief from sleep-related neck pain and improve your overall quality of life. Don't let neck pain hold you back from enjoying your day-to-day activities. By taking proactive steps, you can wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day, free from the burden of neck pain. Section 4. Prevention is key. Tips for a pain-free sleep. A good night's sleep is essential for overall health and well-being, but waking up with neck pain can ruin your day before it even starts. Fortunately, there are several strategies you can employ to ensure you wake up feeling refreshed and pain-free. Preventing neck pain after sleep starts with optimizing your sleep environment and habits. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for rest, free from distractions and designed to promote relaxation. This includes having a comfortable mattress and bedding that supports your body. One of the most impactful changes you can make is choosing the right pillow. A pillow that is too high or too low can strain your neck muscles, leading to discomfort. When selecting a pillow, consider its firmness and material. Memory foam pillows, for example, can contour to the shape of your head and neck, providing customized support. The ideal pillow should support the natural curve of your neck and keep your head aligned with your spine. This alignment is crucial for maintaining the natural curvature of your spine and preventing muscle strain. Experiment with different types of pillows until you find one that feels just right. Your sleeping position also plays a crucial role. The way you position your body during sleep can either alleviate or exacerbate neck pain. It's important to find a position that maintains the natural alignment of your spine. Sleeping on your back with a pillow under your knees can help maintain the natural curve of your spine. This position distributes your weight evenly and reduces pressure on your neck and back. Additionally, placing a small pillow or rolled-up towel under your lower back can provide extra support. If you sleep on your side, make sure your pillow is high enough to keep your head level with your spine. This helps prevent your neck from bending unnaturally, which can lead to pain. You might also consider placing a pillow between your knees to keep your hips aligned. Regular stretching before bed can also work wonders in preventing neck pain. Stretching helps to relax your muscles and improve circulation, making it easier for your body to recover from the day's activities. Gentle neck rolls, side stretches, and shoulder shrugs can help release muscle tension and prepare your body for sleep. These exercises are simple and can be done in just a few minutes, but they can make a significant difference in how you feel when you wake up. Incorporating these simple stretches into your nightly routine can significantly reduce your risk of waking up with a stiff neck. Consistency is key, so try to make stretching a regular part of your pre-sleep ritual. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. By taking proactive steps to care for your neck and spine, you can avoid the discomfort and frustration of neck pain. By adopting these simple yet effective measures, you can enjoy restful sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and pain-free. A little effort in optimizing your sleep environment and habits can go a long way in ensuring you start your day on the right note. Sweet dreams! Section 5. Pillows and posture. Setting yourself up for success. In this section, we will explore how the right pillow and proper posture can significantly impact your overall well-being and help you avoid common issues like neck pain and discomfort. Choosing the right pillow is crucial for preventing neck pain. A pillow that suits your sleeping style and provides adequate support can make a world of difference in how you feel each morning. Consider your preferred sleeping position when selecting a pillow. Whether you sleep on your back, side, or stomach, the right pillow can help maintain proper spinal alignment and reduce strain on your neck. Back sleepers often benefit from thinner pillows with extra support under the neck. This helps keep the head and neck in a neutral position, preventing any unnatural curvature that could lead to discomfort. Side sleepers typically need a firmer pillow that fills the space between their ear and shoulder, keeping the spine aligned. This ensures that the head is not tilted, which can cause muscle strain and misalignment. The material of your pillow also matters. Different materials offer varying levels of support, comfort, and breathability, which can affect your sleep quality. Memory foam pillows contour to the shape of your head and neck, providing customized support. They are particularly beneficial for those who need consistent support throughout the night. Feather pillows offer softness and adjustability, but may not provide adequate support for some. They can be fluffed and shaped to your liking, but they may not hold their shape as well as other materials. Experiment with different pillow types and firmness levels to find the best fit for your needs. It may take some trial and error, but finding the right pillow can greatly enhance your sleep quality and overall comfort. Beyond pillows, maintaining good posture throughout the day is essential for a healthy neck. Good posture helps distribute weight evenly across your body, reducing the risk of strain and injury. Whether you're sitting at a desk, using your phone, or lifting heavy objects, be mindful of your posture. Poor posture can lead to chronic pain and long-term health issues. Keep your shoulders relaxed, your head level, and your spine straight. This alignment helps reduce tension in your muscles and supports the natural curves of your spine. Avoid slouching or hunching over, as this can strain your neck muscles. Over time, these habits can lead to significant discomfort and even structural changes in your spine. Remember, investing in a supportive pillow and practicing good posture are simple yet effective ways to prioritize your neck health and prevent pain. By making these small adjustments, you can set yourself up for success and enjoy a more comfortable, pain-free life.